Hello kids, today we learn ABCD alphabets and many colors. Let's start with colors name. Brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, orange color, green color, deep green color, pink color, purple color, blue color, sea blue color, red color, black color and light pink color. Let's start. Brown color A, pink color B, yellow color C, green color D, sea blue color E, orange color F, sky blue color G, light green color H, blue color I, black color J, red color K, purple color L, orange color M, sea blue color N, sky blue color O, deep green color P, pink color Q, yellow color R, brown color S, black color T, red color U, blue color V, yellow color W, pink color X, black color Y, deep green color Z. Bye friends.